show you how to make microwave shumai using green peppers. It is very easy and tasty and delicious, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I hope you can try it out.
These are the ingredients for the filling. And the wrappers and dipping sauce. Mix the filling ingredients by hand until combined and smooth. For the wrappers, I'm going to use Japanese green peppers. Then stuff the meat mixture into the green peppers. Place them on the microwavable dish and cover. Then microwave on medium for about 7 minutes. Yes, you can bake in the oven or steam in a frying pan. Decorate the top with a bit of Karashi if you like. And now it's done! You can eat with soy sauce or any dipping sauce you like. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
Moreお醤油がついてます。じゃあ早速いただきます。大豆はね、お醤油にも合うし、皮のピーマンからしてジューシーで美味しい。